You surely understand that the world is vast, and it should come as no surprise that it holds many mysteries. Some of these mysteries have even been captured directly by Google Maps satellites. Some of these mysteries remain unsolved, while others are remnants of events from the past. In this video, we'll highlight 7 Google Maps coordinates that hold mysteries. The Guitar-Shaped Forest, Argentina. If you visit these coordinates on Google Maps, you'll see a mysterious forest shaped like a guitar. Unlike other natural formations we'll discuss later, this giant guitar-shaped forest was intentionally planted by an Argentine farmer named Pedro Martín Ureta. You're probably wondering why he planted trees in the shape of a guitar like this. It turns out there's a rather touching reason behind it. He planted thousands of pine and eucalyptus trees over the course of decades to honor the memory of his wife, who loved the guitar.
Giant target in Nevada, United States. From Argentina, we'll head to Nevada in the United States. When you visit these coordinates, you'll be surprised by a giant target mark that looks like a sniper's crosshair. This pattern is located in the middle of a desert near a U.S. military testing area. There's no definitive story behind this pattern, but some people suspect it was created as a calibration point for aerial photography. In the past, engineers used this pattern to help airplanes and satellites focus their reconnaissance cameras while in orbit.
Giant pentagram, Kazakhstan. In Kazakhstan, Central Asia, there is a giant pentagram pattern that once caused a stir on social media. Specifically at these coordinates, a pentagram with a diameter of 366 meters is etched into the ground. When this pattern was first discovered by netizens, many of them linked it to various conspiracy theories. However, according to an archaeologist, the pattern is actually the remnants of an amusement park from the Soviet era that was never completed. Pigeon Mask, Japan. When you visit these coordinates on Google Maps, you'll be directed to a sidewalk in Japan. At this location, you'll see a group of people whose faces have been blurred by Google Maps. In 2013, the people whose faces were blurred were wearing dove masks. There has been much speculation that these people were members of certain cults. However, many others believe they were simply a group of pranksters wearing dove masks just as the Google Maps camera passed by. Desert Breath, Egypt. Now we're going to visit one of the countries in Africa. Specifically, in Egypt, when you visit these coordinates, you'll find a giant spiral pattern made of sand dunes in a desert near the Red Sea. The rather unusual pattern has sparked all sorts of strange speculations among anyone who visits these coordinates. The most famous theory suggests that this area is an alien landing site, but if you look into it further, you'll find that these mounds are actually a piece of art created in 1977. Mysterious aircraft, Russia. From Japan, we'll travel to Russia, specifically to these coordinates, where you'll see the wreckage of a plane that crashed. It was a Russian plane carrying 7 crew members, but midway through the flight, they ran out of fuel, forcing them to make an emergency landing. That's why you can see the marks of an emergency landing on your Google Maps. The good news is that there were no fatalities in this accident. Illuminati in Arizona, United States. When you visit these coordinates, you'll find yourself in a desert in Arizona. Unlike a typical desert, you'll see a giant triangular pattern that is believed to be a symbol of the Illuminati. In fact, this is the site of a former World War II training base. This triangular pattern is an airfield that was used to support pilot training at Luke Air Force Base. This military facility has been closed since the 1950s. People who are unaware of the facts behind this might assume that this giant triangular pattern is related to conspiracy theories like the Illuminati. Alright, it looks like we can only summarize these Google Maps mysteries into a top 7 list. Actually, there are many more mysteries hidden in Google's most popular navigation app, but we wouldn't have enough time to explain them all one by one. From mysterious patterns etched into the map, to a plane wreck, or perhaps a group of people believed to be members of certain cults. Which one do you think is the creepiest?
Que ce dernier moment nous soit